Hey, sir, while he's checking him out, do you want to tell me what happened?
Yeah, Jimmy's out cold again. Looks like the blood sugar's 25.
Oh, low blood sugar. That's an easy fix. I'm sorry, did you say again?
Yeah, the same exact thing happened yesterday.
Yesterday? Let's take a step back. What exactly happened here?
Yeah, I mean, he said he wasn't feeling well because his sugar was low, so I gave him a bunch of insulin.
Not a big deal, but insulin actually lowers the blood sugar. Huh. Well, in that case, you guys might want to check out Mike before you leave. It's gonna be one of those days.